Here I have REALME Narzo 50 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button screen recording. By holding a finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can record system sound, you can record microphone sound, you can also change picture definition, you can set up high, medium, low, or even custom. You can change frame rate, you can record front camera video, you can show screen touches, and you can change video coding format. So in order to start the recording, tap on this button once, allow, then this kind of menu starts. So for example, here you can also switch sound settings. Okay, so to start recording, tap on the red button and recording starts. So as you can see right now, I'm recording my screen, my apps list and stuff. So here we have this camera. You can pause the recording, then go to some place and play it again. So in order to complete the recording, you just tap on this tick button here, and after that it will be saved to the gallery. Photos, to the album, videos, and here it is. Here is our recording. As you can see right now, I'm recording my screen, my apps list and stuff. So from here you can send, favorite, edit or delete your recording, and some more stuff from here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.